One homeowner in Shawnee described his crawl space to our office as a complete mess. He and his wife had purchased their 1976 home 10 years earlier, and they had battled foundation issues ever since. During our evaluation, we discovered that nearly everything in the problem area was rotting. Floor joists, sill plate, beams, and the subfloor. The few supports that did exist didn't even have proper bases. Interior walls were dropping, and there were cracks throughout the house. At the end of the evaluation, with a look of desperation, the homeowner asked, "Can this be fixed?" We put together a comprehensive plan to stabilize the home and prevent further damage. Impressed with our communication, knowledge, and reputation, they chose us to do the work. Despite some unforeseen obstacles, we delivered exactly what we promised. Afterwards, the homeowner told us, "Our job turned out to be massive, and they handled it with grace and skill. They showed up every day and stayed until it was done. It feels so good to walk on a solid foundation again." That's the power of addressing foundation issues at the critical stage.